Hello, my name is Dietmar Botosch, Product Manager in the area of door technology at GEZE. Today, I would like to show you an application using the TS5000 SoftClose in practice. In rooms with varying pressure situations, it is difficult to adjust the door closer so that the door not only closes securely, but also quietly. If the windows are closed, a so-called air buffer effect occurs. If the window is open, the door slams. We normally recommend our all-rounder, the TS5000, but varying pressure situations make a clear case for the TS5000 SoftClose. But what makes the TS5000 SoftClose so special? The innovation lies in a specially developed valve. The TS5000 SoftClose has two independently adjustable valves, for the closing speed of 180 to 15 degrees and with an opening angle of 15 to 0 degrees. Depending on the situation, this allows the door to be accelerated or decelerated to the final 15 degrees. With the TS5000 SoftClose, you can adjust every door perfectly to the given room situation. Do you have further questions? Please contact us. You can leave a comment or get in touch by email or phone. Our experts will be glad to help.